And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven.
What? A firmament? Is that affirmative or firmament?
A firmament.
A firmament. Does anybody know what a firmament means? Or the bird said they do.
All right.
You know what? Let me bring Ozzy out here. I'm gonna bring Ozzy the bird. He's the one chirping away.
All right. And the evening and the morning were the second day. And God said, let the waters under the heaven be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear. And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called the seas. And God saw that it was good. And God said, let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind, whose seed is in itself, upon the earth. And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass, and herb yielding seed after his kind, and the tree yielding fruit whose his seed was in itself after his kind. And God saw that it was good.
Hey, what? So in other words, what happened? You're boring everybody without the. Why didn't you stop and say, "Is this an alien binary code?"
Well,
okay, what the concept of the song? The concept of the song. The concept of the song is when you believe in a dream, you must believe your forefathers and mothers. Oh, I went out of key. Let's go all over. Okay, Ozzy, my bird. That's my bird friend, Ozzy. He sings. We're going to play and see. Chaos? Ozzy says, when you believe in yourself and grow kids, they seem to make a happy planet. Yes, they do. You're welcome. And when your mom and dad gone stupid and do not care about your dreams anymore, as people read the book and not understand that there's more to life than just bullshit going on. Yes. What if God made two men for work, and then he had to go around the world to start his other books, and he came back and see that I made a mistake and went the wrong chord. Okay. Hey, we wouldn't mind having guesses. Ozzy the bird, and well, he's our guest for today, and he's talking about dreams are real if you have a bird in your house. What else, Ozzy? It's good for your kids. Okay, Ozzy. To learn the birds and the bees. Bye-bye.